Looking to take your aerial photography and videography to new heights without burning a hole in your wallet? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 best budget drones that deliver incredible features at an affordable price. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or content creator on a budget, these drones offer impressive camera quality, stable flight, and smart features. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. DEERC D20 Mini Drone. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is one of the most affordable and fun drones on the market, making it an ideal choice for kids, beginners, or anyone wanting to dip their toes into the world of drones. With its compact size and easy-to-use controls, it delivers a surprisingly enjoyable flying experience without breaking the bank. Despite its small stature, the D20 features a built-in 720p high-definition camera that streams real-time video directly to your smartphone. It is not a professional-grade camera by any means, but it is more than capable of capturing casual aerial shots or selfies from the sky. Flight time is decent for such a budget-friendly drone, with 2 included batteries giving you a total of 20 minutes of airtime. The lightweight design makes it suitable for indoor and outdoor use, although it is best flown in calm weather conditions due to its limited wind resistance. One of the D20's strongest points is its simplicity. Number 4. DJI Mini2SE Drone. The DJI Mini2SE is a compact yet powerful drone that brings the trusted quality of DJI at an affordable price. Weighing just under 249 grams, it bypasses registration requirements in many regions, making it an excellent choice for beginners and travelers who want simplicity without sacrificing performance. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording high-definition video at 2.7K resolution, the Mini2SE delivers impressive image quality for a drone in its class. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures your footage stays smooth and stable, even during windy conditions or fast maneuvers. One of the highlights of this drone is its extended flight range. Number 3. Potensic Atom A Drone. The Potensic Atom SE is a compact and budget-friendly drone that punches well above its weight in performance and features. Designed for beginners and casual flyers, this drone combines a sleek foldable design with a robust 4K camera, offering excellent value for money. Its camera is mounted on a 2-axis gimbal with electronic image stabilization, which helps deliver clear and stable footage even when in motion. You can capture stunning aerial shots with minimal shake, making it suitable for vloggers and travel enthusiasts looking to elevate their content without a big investment. One of the standout features of the Potensic Atom SE is its incredibly lightweight build, just under 250 grams. This means you do not need to register it with the Federal Aviation Administration in the United States, which is a significant advantage for casual users. Despite its small size, the drone is surprisingly sturdy and handles well in moderate wind conditions. The drone comes with 2 smart batteries, each providing up to 31 minutes of flight time, for a total of around 62 minutes. Number 2. Holy Stone HS720E Drone. The Holy Stone HS720E is a powerful and budget-friendly drone that combines premium features with a user-friendly design. At the heart of this drone is a 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, camera that delivers high-quality video and crisp photos, making it ideal for casual videographers and travel enthusiasts. What sets the HS720E apart is its EIS technology, which helps smooth out your footage even without a physical gimbal. This ensures you capture clear and steady shots, whether you're hovering over landscapes or following a moving subject. The drone also includes a Sony sensor, which enhances image clarity and color accuracy. This model boasts an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes with 2 batteries included in the box. Number 1. Ruko F11 Pro Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro is one of the best value-packed drones for beginners and hobbyists looking to step up their aerial game without spending a fortune. It offers a reliable flight experience and crisp visuals thanks to its integrated 4K ultra-high-definition camera. The camera provides stunning clarity for both photos and videos, making it an ideal companion for capturing scenic landscapes and action shots. One of its standout features is the extended flight time. With 2 included batteries, the F11 Pro delivers a combined flight time of up to 60 minutes. There you have it, our top picks for the best budget drones that deliver impressive performance without the premium price tag. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more great gear roundups.